Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this week so far. And welcome to this video on Jasmy. I wanted to do a quick video, wanted to give you my thoughts on it. It's right now, I think Jasmy is actually pretty interesting because it's showing, at least yesterday evening, it was showing quite a lot of bullish momentum. Which always is interesting for Jasmy. As most of you know, I was fairly bullish on Jasmy when it was in this range right here. So it was very bullish before that, and I thought, well, it's going to range right now and then rally up higher. But then obviously last week we got quite a lot of bearish momentum coming from the markets. I mean, Bitcoin pushed down the markets quite a bit, and when Bitcoin went up, the markets did not really follow. So yeah, that also caused some bearish momentum for Jasmy. But what you could argue is that it has just been some sort of a bullish flag right here, and that will now continue going up. All right, so that's kind of what I wanted to talk about in this video. So let's get right into it. Because Jasmy, if you look at this, you'll see that the open interest, and this is the same as I said just now, that it was very bullish yesterday evening. You can see that the open interest went up from 6.7 to, at the top, 8.3. That's quite a big increase, but since then it has dropped down and leveled out. So that, in combination with the fact that the EMAs right here are practically flat, right? So usually when they're flat, those are the colored lines here in the middle. Usually if those are flat, the market structure is a bit neutral. And I also think that's the case for Jasmy. I think it's like the way I see the markets right now is very much that Jasmy is in some sort of a consolidation right now between 0.46 and 0.54 cents. All right, those are two, not the strongest key levels, I would say. But then the EMAs are in the middle, which usually in a consolidation, those EMAs are in the middle. And those are strong support and resistance levels. So the big question to me, I do think like Jasmy right now is not bearish anymore, I think. After breaking above this level right here at half a cent, so 0.005, I don't think it's bearish. And I even think it has a potential to break out. But what would then need to happen is that Jasmy needs to find support at half a cent, so 0.5 cents, and then hold this range right here. So basically stay on top of it. Because if it stays on top of it, what happens is that it is no longer respecting the range, it is respecting a support level. All right, so then the range is right here, and a range right here. And I know it might sound a little bit weird, but if it holds that level as support, that means that that the range is invalidating. And if the range is invalidated, that means it's bullish, all right, or at least relatively bullish. So that's what it's all about. Jasmy will test that level between 0.51 and 0.5 cents if it's able to hold that as support, which I do expect. Jasmy will break above 0.54 cents and head up to 0.6 cents up here. And then from there, we'll see whether Jasmy can break above that. I mean, it's a very strong resistance level, so it's going to be tough, especially if you assume, which I do, that Bitcoin will get a little bit more resistance from this resistance level right here. Which also will influence Jasmy. So breaking through that is going to be tough, but it does look likely that after some more ranging and consolidating movement right here, Jasmy will continue with that bullish breakout and hitting our previous highs. All right, I'll keep you updated on that. And if Jasmy, by the way, if Jasmy is not able to hold 0.5 cents, the range holds. All right, so then Jasmy is just neutral and it will just consolidate like this. And it will be a hell of a lot harder to get towards 0.6 cents. So that's everything you should know, all right? If you do have any questions about it, which I can imagine because it was a little bit, also in my head, it was a little bit rambly, a lot of talking, even though it's, well, yeah, let me know, all right, if you have any questions. For now, thank you for watching, and if you're interested in my premium and signal group, links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. There you can read more about it, see if you want to join, see what it is. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.